today. Dreams with clouds, they drift and sway, wondering when that day will come, when hearts will beat as one. Walking through the streets alone, wishing on stars for love unknown, gazing at the moon above, waiting for that touch of love. To be loved one day I pray, to find a heart that'll stay, holding on through night and day. Oh, to be loved one day. Faces pass me in a crowd, silent wishes spoken loud, hoping for that perfect you in a world that's made for two. The sun sets and rises bright, bringing hope with morning light. In my dreams I see the way to be loved one day. To be loved one day I pray, to find a heart that'll stay, holding on through night and day. Oh, to be loved one day. Faces pass me in a crowd, silent wishes spoken loud, hoping for that perfect you in a world that's made for two. The sun sets and rises bright, bringing hope with morning light. In my dreams I see the way to be loved one day. To be loved one day, I pray to find a heart that'll stay, holding on through night and day. Oh, to be loved one day. In the heart of a never-been sea lies an island wild and free, between Martinique and Guadeloupe, a gem where the mountains meet the sea, with rainforests lush and rivers clear, Mont Trapito standing near, boiling lake and champagne reef. Dominica, the nature lovers believe. Dominica, our beauty, our love splendor, from Rosa to the Calinado shores, with every waterfall you lead. Bananas, cocoa, coffee, sweet. In every corner, history we meet. Emerald pools and black sand days, whale songs that fill our days. In Dominica, the nature's call echoes through the mountains tall. Dominica, our beauty, our love splendor, from Rosa to the Calinaco shores, with every waterfall you leave us in awe. Oh, Dominica, we love you more and more. Dominica, our beauty, our love splendor, from Rosa to the Calinaco shores, with every waterfall you leave us in awe. Oh, Dominica, we love you more and more. Dominica, our beauty, our love splendor, from Rosa to the Calinaco shores, with every waterfall you leave us in awe. Oh, Dominica, we love you more and more. Dominica, our beauty, our love splendor. Sun is shining on my face, feel the breeze and ocean's grace. Palm trees sway in perfect time, Caribbean rhythm in my mind.
Winding roads like painted lines, laughter echoes with the pines. Waves are dancing on the shore. In this moment, can't ask for more.
Driving through a sunny day in a Caribbean way, feel the freedom, life is bright. Everything just feels so right.
Windows down, the music's loud. Catch the smiles from the crowd. Island colors paint the sky. Paradise within my eyes.
Let the worries drift away on this perfect escapade. Golden hours forever stay in my heart this sunny day. Driving through a sunny day in a Caribbean way, feel the freedom, life is bright. Everything just feels so right.
Let the worries drift away on this perfect escapade. Golden hours forever stay in my heart this sunny day.
Driving through a sunny day in a Caribbean way,
Feel the
feel the freedom, life is bright. Everything just feels so right. In Dominica where the waters roar, cascading down from the island's core. Waterfalls singing as they touch the ground, a hidden gem that's waiting to be found. Oh, Dominica, land of streams, waterfalls and boiling dreams, hot springs bubbling, nature's grace. Come and feel this magic place. The boiling lake with its smoky veil, a mystic sight along nature's trail. Hot springs soothe beneath the sky so wide, Dominica's warmth where peace will abide. Oh, Dominica, land of streams, waterfalls and boiling dreams, hot springs bubbling, nature's grace. Come and feel this magic place. From the highest peaks to the ocean shore, Dominica's wonders leave you wanting more. With every fall and every wave, it's an island your heart will crave. Oh, Dominica, land of streams, waterfalls and boiling dreams, hot springs bubbling, nature's grace. Come and feel this magic place. From the highest peaks to the ocean shore, Dominica's wonders leave you wanting more. With every fall and every wave, it's an island your heart will crave. Oh, Dominica, land of streams, waterfalls and boiling dreams, hot springs bubbling, nature's grace. Come and feel this magic place. Tiny toes a pitter-patter, little hands that climb a ladder, laughs that brighten every day. In your world we love to play. My daughter, my joy.